The downfall of Yahoo vertical bar lessons to learn. It started as a search engine.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Created its own mailing platform, gathered a massive amount of audience, and not to forget news. It was one of the largest companies at the birth of the digital era. And so was Google, right? Then, how did Google dominate Yahoo? What led to its downfall? Should they have done something to keep themselves surviving in the market? If yes, what could that be? Let's learn that today. Its recognizable yellow emblem was widely used throughout the internet and was considered to be associated with the web. If you can recall, this was before Google. Yahoo was introduced to the world on January 1994, while Google came into existence on September 1998. But Yahoo's story took an unexpected turn. Despite its early success and dominant position, it eventually declined and lost ground to competitors like Google and Facebook. This is the story of Yahoo and a lesson to learn while entering the digital field. The rise of Yahoo. Launch and early success, 1994 to 1996. Founded in 1994 by Jerry Yang and David Filo, Yahoo was the first complete World Wide Web directory. The online guide, which was once called the Jerry and David's Guide to the World Wide Web, swiftly gained popularity for providing users with a simple way to navigate the quickly growing internet. The need for quick action to online results helped Yahoo's early success during the initial days. Offering services like email, news, and search results services, its IPO in 1996 established as key competitor. Expansion and growth. Yahoo gained significant growth, becoming the most visited website globally. Yahoo's decision to enter into media, advertising, and acquisition of GeoCities and Flickr contributed to its success. However, its competitors Google and Facebook led to the decline in its superiority. It remained dominant in fields like finance and news, following its acquisition in 2017 by Verizon and Apollo Global Management in 2021. Till today, it continued to focus on areas like technology, media, and advertising. The fall of Yahoo. Yahoo's fall is a classic example of a tech titan that failed to adapt to the ongoing changes in the digital outlook. Let's explore this in detail now. In the early 2000s, Yahoo was one of the internet's most popular companies, known for its services related to web portal, search engines, email services, and news. Key decisions and events affecting Yahoo. The series of events, including missed opportunities to acquire Facebook and Google, wrong decision taken by the management, and too dependent on display ads, led to its downfall. We all know that ads were the only annoying part of Yahoo. Google overshadowed Yahoo with innovation and superior search technology. Yahoo unflavored the users and maintained relevancy, which was and still is the key to the growth of any business. Lack of clear vision, leadership, and unsuccessful venture, including extravagant acquisition like Tumblr, further damaged the company. 1. Shutdown and overmatch. By 2017, Yahoo was acquired by Verizon, its core internet business, merging it with AOL with a new name called Oath, later renamed Verizon Media. However, even with new leadership, Yahoo couldn't regain its form. Yahoo led Verizon to sell all of its assets to Apollo Global Management 2021. Meanwhile, Yahoo still operating its media brand, its role in the internet market has declined, making the fall as an internet giant, acting less as the internet's former superpower and more as a reminder of how quickly things are changing. 2. Growth of Google. Google concentrated on its search engine and developed its ecosystem, introduced new services like Gmail, Google Maps, Android, and cloud computing, which resulted in dominating its competitors. The continuous improvement in providing rich user experience and leveraging data-driven advertising led Google outlay Yahoo. This resulted to its acquisition in 2017. Today, Google is one of the top tech companies globally, while Yahoo remains to be a small player in the industry. 3. The acquisition of Overture and Inktomi, 2003. In 2003, Yahoo made a significant decision to strengthen its search capabilities by acquiring Overture Services, paid search advertising, and Inktomi, a search engine. This strategy helped Yahoo to build its own research advertising business, but it couldn't compete Google's higher research advertising business, Google's advanced search algorithm. Investing in paid search advertising was a tactical move, but Yahoo's focus on its model meant it never invested enough resources in improving search quality. The acquisitions were important, but they couldn't compete with Google's higher search algorithm. 4. Partnership with Microsoft Bing, 2009. Yahoo entered into a partnership with Microsoft to use Bing as the foundational technology for its search engine, externalizing search in exchange for a share of revenue. This deal was meant to be cost-cutting for Yahoo while giving more visibility in the search for Microsoft. Outsourcing search technology to Bing was a bold decision. While it allowed Yahoo to focus on its media business, it fell back from beating Google in the search engine war. It only compounded Yahoo's lack of searchability at a time when search is one of the most valuable sectors for online advertising. 5. The Alibaba investment, 2005. Yahoo invested $1 billion in Alibaba, the Chinese e-commerce giant, in exchange for a 40% stake. This investment turned out to be financial backing for Yahoo, as the Alibaba stake grew exceptionally well, eventually worth more than Yahoo's main business. At this crucial point, Yahoo CEO, Maurice Mehta, sold a major portion of its Alibaba shares to resolve tax concerns. As a result of this decision, we left billions of dollars on the table. One of the major reasons for the downfall of Yahoo. 6. Misguided acquisitions. Before the downfall of Yahoo, it made a series of acquisitions that turned out to be a failure and sidetracked Yahoo from its core business. In 1999, acquiring Broadcast.com quickly became irrelevant as technology advanced, highlighting significant financial errors. Yahoo's most unnoticed acquisition was Tumblr, a microblogging platform, acquired for $1.1 billion. The acquisition was made to tap into Tumblr's community. Yahoo struggled to monetize the platform effectively and underperformed to regain its community. The decline in Twitter's value accelerated the downfall of Yahoo.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.